Today we're going to talk about writing and grafting inequalities. Now, an inequality is a mathematical sentence that contains the greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, or not equal to. Now, these two right here, or the last three I should say, are new symbols to us. These two symbols actually have a double purpose. One, it is to use the greater than symbol, and it could be equal to. This one is less than, or it could be equal to. So it's kind of like if you go to Busch Gardens and you're getting on a ride. You know how you have to have you have to be 42 inches or taller. Well, 42 would be equal to this, or you could be larger. So this is kind of got a double meaning here. Now, a couple of things that you need to know is when you have the greater than, less than, you are going to have an open circle, which simply is you're just not going to shade it in. Where a closed circle would be used for the greater than, less than symbols, and you are actually going to shade those in. This just kind of lets everybody know that, hey, that number is included in your data set. And of course, when you have the not equal to, that means you're going to have the open circle as well. We don't see that too often, but we do see it. Alrighty, so tell whether each number is a solution to k is greater than or equal to -6. Now remember, a solution is just simply an answer to the problem. So what numbers are greater than or equal to -6? Well, of course, -7 because of the equal to piece. 0 and 7. And notice, if you think about it on a number line, greater than here, it's all going to the right. So anything to the right of -6 would work. So now we're going to talk about grafting the solution. That means we're going to take that number, we're going to put it on the number line. And this is super easy. So here you have r is less than or equal to 2. So you're going to go to 2. Because you have the equal to, we've got to shade it in. So I'm just going to shade it in here. So what numbers are less than or equal to 2? Well, everybody to the left of 2. So any of these numbers here, we could slip into our space and continue for that statement to be true. So now let's look at the next one. M is greater than -2. So real quick question, I'm going to circle -2. Is -2 included in the data set? No, because you don't have an underline. So if you don't have that little underline, that equal to piece, then we're not going to shade it in. And then you're going to graft everything to the right. Now, for our 4, it's kind of squeezed in here real quick. We have to write the inequality for that. Now, you can usually choose any variable you want to, unless they specifically say, hey, use this variable. So we're going to use h. And if you notice, the number that is not circled, or the number that is circled, is 4. Notice it's not shaded in, so we're not going to have to worry about the underline. But look at the way the arrow's going. The arrow's going to the left. So our inequality also needs to point to the left. Easy peasy. Excuse me. So number 5. Guys, the variable has to go first. Variable must go first. You don't have a choice. So in this particular case, the variable is not first. So literally, you're going to flip everything like a pancake. I mean, literally, you're going to go from here to here. Everything flips. So B greater than or equal to 3. And this right here is what gets graphed. So go to 3. It is a closed circle. And it's going to be everything to the right. because B has to be bigger than or equal to 3. Now the last one is a little word problem, because sometimes it happens, is you must be at least 18 years old to vote. So can you be 17? Nope. Can you be 16? Nope. How about 20? You bet. So can you be 18? Yes, you can. So for this particular one, we're going to want to circle 18. We want to shade it in because 18-year-olds have the right to vote. And everybody who is older than 20 gets to vote. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Have a great day. Bye.